Welcome to IB 360. In this video, we are going to discuss IBSL November 2018 paper 1. And the first question is the following diagram shows a circle with center A and radius 6 cm. Now we need to find the area of the shaded sector. So you can use directly the formula. That is, the formula is for the shaded region area will be half of theta r square. So here theta is in 2 radian, it is radian, 2 radian. Okay, so that's why half into 2 into the you can see from here that the radius is 6 centimeter, so 6 square. So ultimately the answer is 36 centimeter square. But the thing is, if you forgot the formula, then what you will do? This is using the formula. The formula is A equals to half of theta r square. But what if you forgot the formula? Then just use this principle. I am showing it to derive the formula. In case you forgot the formula, then you have to do in these steps. So we know that complete angle of a circle is 2 pi, that is 360 degree. So for 2 pi angle, for 2 pi radian, the area is pi r square. We are using unitary method to find out this particular formula. So for 2 pi, already you have done the answer, but if you forgot the formula, then how you will derive that? That's why I am showing this to you. For 2 pi radian, the area is pi r square. So for 1 radian, the area is pi r square divided by 2 pi. So from here, just cancel out the pi, so it is coming out to be r square by 2. And so for theta radian, the area is half into theta r square. So this is the formula that we have derived. Now for this case, theta is 2 radian and r is 6 radian. So the answer is half into 2 into 6 square. This is 36 centimeter square. Don't forget to put the limit, because it is very important to put the limit in all the math whatever you are doing. Now we will move toward the second question. Again, first we will show by how using formula you can do that, but after that we will again derive the formula. So for this, the formula is and the question is, find the perimeter of the non-shaded sector ABDC. So ABDC, this non-shaded sector, you can see this is the shaded sector. So we need to find out the formula of the non-shaded sector. So for this reason, the formula is, by using the formula, if you want to derive, the formula is P equals to theta r plus 2r. Now here theta is, as you can see, this we have to find out. Theta means this is the theta now. So if this is the theta, the complete angle is 2 pi, and we need to deduct 2 from here to find the theta of this non-shaded sector. So theta will be 2 pi, the complete angle of the circle, minus 2, because this is 2 radian, into r, the value of r is 6, plus 2 into the value of r is 6. So from here we are getting, that is 12 pi minus 12 plus 12. This is centimeter. The unit of perimeter is in centimeter. So 12 cancel out. So 12 pi centimeter. So if you use the formula, that is P equals to the perimeter of the perimeter of a region or of an arc is just by using this formula, that is P equals to theta r plus 2r, then it is okay. But what if you forgot the formula? So we are deriving the formula. To derive the formula, in case you have forgotten the formula. So for that, we know that for 2 pi radian, the perimeter is, for 2 pi radian, the perimeter is 2 pi r. Like for 2 pi radian, the complete perimeter is 2 pi r. So for 1 radian, the perimeter is 2 pi r divided by 2 pi. Again we are using unitary method. So from here cancelling out 2 pi. So for theta radian, the perimeter is 2r into theta. Now from this formula we are getting only perimeter, like only this particular portion, only the perimeter of the arc, like this particular portion we are getting. So let's see what is this particular portion we are getting. So 2r theta, it means nothing but 2r into theta, means 2 pi minus from here, sorry, it is not 2 pi, it is 2r, it is just r, because 2 pi cancel out, so r theta. So it is r of 2 pi minus 2. So basically it is 2 pi r minus 2. So this is just the only the arc, but we need to also add these two regions, that is 6 plus 6, that is 12. So that is 2r. So the complete perimeter is, the perimeter of ABDC is equals to arc ABDC, arc ABDC, just see, arc ABDC plus perimeter of arc ABCD plus AB plus AC. So perimeter of arc ABCD, this we have already calculated, that is 2, it is 2 pi r minus 2, 2 pi r minus 2r, 2 pi r minus 2r plus r plus r. So we are getting 2 pi r minus 2r plus 2r, 2r cancel out, so 2 into pi into 6 equals to, we are putting the value of r, that is 12 pi, so in centimeter. So this is the answer. So if you don't know the formula yet, then also you can derive the equation, then also you can do the sum. So this was the first problem is done. Now we will move toward the second problem. Okay, now we will move toward the second problem. In the second problem you can see